Hello everybody, today I will show you how to fix Madden NFL 24 starters not playing problem. If you find this presentation helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Method 1. Turn off progressive fatigue. In franchise mode, the progressive fatigue setting simulates the effect of playing multiple games in a row, causing players to get tired and need to rest. However, this can sometimes cause starters to be benched even when they are not actually fatigued. By turning off progressive fatigue, you can ensure that your starters are always available to play. Method 2. Adjust fatigue slider. The fatigue slider determines how quickly players get tired during a game. If this is set too high, it can cause players to get tired too quickly and need to rest even if they are not actually fatigued. By adjusting the slider down to 0, you can ensure that your players stay fresh throughout the game. Method 3. Check auto subs. Auto subs are settings that determine which players are automatically subbed in and out of the game based on their fatigue level. If these settings are not adjusted correctly, they can cause starters to be benched even when they are not actually tired. By checking and adjusting the auto sub settings, you can ensure that your starters are always on the field when you need them. Method 4. Update the game. Sometimes the issue of starters not playing can be caused by a game glitch or bug. By updating the game to the latest version, you can fix the issue. Method 5. Rebuild database and cache. If the issue persists even after updating the game, it may be caused by a corrupted database or cache. By rebuilding these files, you can clear any glitches or error that may be causing the issue and get your starters back on the field. Thanks for watching. That's it.